The floating island of peace. The traveler had been walking for what felt like forever. Dust clung to his boots. His shoulders were heavy with the weight of years spent chasing things that never seemed to bring happiness. The world below had become loud, too loud. Cities screamed with traffic. People rushed through life like storms that never slowed. And somewhere along the way, the traveler had forgotten what peace felt like. One evening, as the sun dipped low and painted the sky with soft orange light, he reached the top of a lonely mountain. The air was thin. The world below was quiet. He sat on a rock and closed his eyes. For the first time in months, he breathed deeply. Then something strange happened. A warm wind began to rise. At first it was gentle, almost like a whisper brushing past his ears, but slowly it grew stronger, lifting the mist around the mountain. When he opened his eyes again, he saw something impossible. Above the clouds, floating peacefully in the golden sky, was an island. Not a small rock, a vast, glowing island drifting silently among the clouds. Soft waterfalls poured from its edges, falling like silver ribbons into the endless sky below. The traveler rubbed his eyes, convinced exhaustion had made him hallucinate. But the island remained, and somehow he knew he needed to go there. As he stood up, a narrow path of light appeared before him. It stretched upward from the mountain peak like a bridge made of sunlight. The traveler hesitated, but something inside his heart whispered, "Go." So he stepped onto the glowing path. Each step felt lighter than the last. The higher he climbed, the quieter the world became. Soon the noise of the earth faded away completely, and before he knew it, he had arrived. The floating island of peace. The moment his feet touched the island's soft grass, something incredible happened. The weight on his chest disappeared. His breathing slowed. The tension in his body melted like ice in warm sunlight. It felt as if the island itself was breathing calmly, and he had become part of that rhythm. He looked around in amazement. The island was unlike any place he had ever seen. Tall trees with glowing leaves shimmered softly in colors of blue and gold. Their branches moved slowly in the wind, making a gentle sound like distant chimes. Between the trees flowed small streams of crystal clear water. The water glowed faintly, reflecting the sky above like a living mirror. And everywhere, there was light. Not harsh sunlight, but a warm, peaceful glow that wrapped around everything like a comforting blanket. The traveler began walking slowly along a winding path. With every step he took, something inside him changed. Memories of stress and worry began to fade. Arguments he once replayed in his mind no longer mattered. Regrets he carried for years felt distant, like echoes from another life. It was as if the island gently lifted those burdens from his shoulders. Ahead, he heard the soft sound of water. He followed the sound until he reached a waterfall unlike any he had ever seen. The water fell slowly, almost as if time itself had slowed down. Each droplet shimmered like liquid glass, and as the water touched the pool below, ripples of glowing light spread across the surface. The traveler knelt beside the pool. He dipped his hands into the water. The moment the water touched his skin, a wave of calm washed through his entire body. He felt warmth spread through his chest. His mind, once filled with constant thoughts, suddenly became still. Not empty, but peaceful, like a quiet lake at sunrise. For the first time in years, he felt truly alive. Hours passed, or maybe days. On the floating island of peace, time moved differently. The traveler explored glowing forests where the air carried the scent of fresh rain. He walked through fields of soft silver grass that swayed gently like waves in a silent ocean. He rested beside streams where tiny lights floated above the water like drifting stars. And everywhere he went, the island seemed to respond to him. When he felt calm, the wind became softer. When he smiled, the trees shimmered brighter. It was as if the island could sense his heart. Eventually, he reached the highest hill on the island.
At the top stood a single ancient tree. Its trunk was wide and strong, and its leaves glowed brighter than anything else on the island. The traveler sat beneath it. The moment he leaned against the tree, a deep understanding filled his mind. The island had not appeared by accident. It appeared for those who needed it most. Travelers who had become lost in the noise of the world. People who had forgotten how to slow down. People who had forgotten how to breathe. And the island gave them something simple. Peace. Not forever, but long enough to remember what it felt like. The traveler closed his eyes. The wind moved gently through the glowing leaves above him. He felt grateful. Grateful for the silence. Grateful for the calm. Grateful for the chance to rest. Eventually, he knew it was time to leave. Not because the island forced him, but because peace, once found, must be carried back into the world. He stood up slowly and looked across the island one last time. The glowing trees, the quiet streams, the endless sky filled with drifting clouds. Then he walked back toward the edge of the island. Just as before, a bridge of light appeared. The traveler stepped onto it. As he descended back toward the mountain, he noticed something surprising. The weight he once carried never returned. The stress that once filled his mind was gone, because the floating island of peace had given him something more powerful than escape. It had reminded him that peace was never truly lost. It simply waited, above the clouds of our busy lives, for the moment we choose to slow down and breathe again. And somewhere high above the sky, the island still floats quietly, waiting for the next tired traveler to find their way home.